Hey guys, what's up? In this video we are going to see how to find the perimeter of a shape by measuring the length of each side. Okay, and we know that what is perimeter? Perimeter is actually the measured length of all the boundaries of a shape. Okay, let's say here we have a shape. Okay, let's say here we have a triangle. Okay, let me draw it from another marker. Okay, you can see here we have a triangle here, and how to find the perimeter of this is simple. We have to measure all the three sides. Okay, this is one, two, and three. Okay, we have to measure all the three sides, and then we are going to add all the three sides, the length of the three sides, and then we will get our perimeter. Clear? So let's see how to find perimeter by measuring the length of each side. In this we will use a ruler. Clear? Let's see. Okay, now here we are given with different shapes. You can see this one, this one, this one, and this one. You can see this is a triangle we have, this is a circle, this is a we can say four-sided figure, quadrilateral, and this is an irregular type of shape. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it consists of seven faces. We can say seven sides. One you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, seven faces here we have. So here what we're going to do, here we will use a ruler. You can see this is a ruler we have. So we are going to here measure the sides. Okay, we are going to measure the sides of these shapes. Okay, why sides? Because perimeter is actually the length of the boundary. Clear? Perimeter is actually the length of the boundary. So here we are going to measure the sides with the help of this ruler. So after measuring all the sides, we have to add the length of all the sides. So by adding the lengths, we will get our perimeter. Clear? Okay, so let's see our first figure. First of all, let's see this side. So we are going to measure this side with the help of a ruler. So here this 0, okay, I have to put this 0 on this vertex like this one. Okay, and here we have to measure what's the length here. So this is 6 centimeters, this is 7 centimeters. Okay, you can see this one is in centimeters. So this we can say this big line, okay, this one is actually the half. We can say it is actually 0.5 centimeters. It means that here it is in the center of the 6 and 7 centimeters. So here it is actually this half, this line, okay, this one. So it is actually 6.5 centimeters. Clear? So here we have actually, this is a, we can say 6.6 centimeters, and this one, okay, you can see this one is actually 6.7 centimeters. So this length is of 6.7 centimeters. Clear? Now if we talk about this length, here I have to put the 0 here. Okay, and here you can see actually this is 4 centimeters, and here we have, this is 4 centimeters, here we have 1 millimeter less than 4 centimeters. So actually it is of 3.9 centimeters. So if we talk about this length, here we have to measure it by putting the 0 here. Okay, and here. Okay, so here you can see actually this is 1 millimeter less than 6.5 centimeters. You can see this is 6, this is 7, and this is actually this long line. This it is actually the half. Okay, it is in the center between 6 and 7. This one is 6.5, so we have 1 millimeter less than 6.5, so here it will be equal to 6.4 centimeters. Okay, now time to measure this length. So here 0 here, and okay, so here we can say this is 2 centimeters. Okay, this one here we have 1 millimeter. Okay, this one is 2, so here we have 1 millimeter less than, okay, 2, so it is actually 1.9 centimeters. Clear? So this is 1.9 centimeters. Okay. So actually the parameter will be equal to the sum of all the sides. Clear? So here we have to add actually all the sides. It means that if we add this one, I can write parameter, it is equal to this 6.7 centimeter plus this 3.9 centimeters plus this 6.4 centimeters plus this 1.9 centimeters. Okay, so parameter will be equal to the sum of all the sides here. So if I add all of these here, I will get 18.9 centimeters. Okay, here the parameter, it is equal to 18.9 centimeters. Clear? Okay, first of all we have to calculate all the lengths and then we have to add it. Clear? So this is the formula for calculating the parameter with the help of a ruler. We can say by measuring the sides. Clear? Okay, now if we have squares or if we have rectangles, what we can do? Okay, we can we can also measure all the sides of a square and rectangle, or we can measure the side. We can say we can measure the 1 or 2 sides present here and we can use their formula. Clear? We can use their formula by putting the measurement of putting the length of 1 or 2 sides in that formula. We can say in square we need only 1 length, so we can put only 1 length here. In a rectangle, to calculate the parameter we need 2 lengths, so we can put the 2 lengths here. So we can calculate also by putting the values in the formula. Okay, we can also calculate parameter like this, or we can just add, we can say we can just calculate all the lengths and by adding all the lengths. Okay, so we can also calculate the parameter in this way. So here in our B part it is a 7-sided figure. So first of all we have to measure all the lengths. So let's start. Okay, you have to use centimeters. Clear? Alright, so here we have to put 0 here. Okay, so here I have put 0 here. So you can see this is 4 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters, and here actually 1 and 2. You can see 2 millimeters less than 5 centimeters. Okay, 1, 2. Clear? You can see this one. Okay, so 2 millimeters less than 5 centimeters we have. So it is actually 4.8 centimeters. Clear? Alright, so now if we talk about this length, so here it will be equal to, okay, first of all let's measure, then we can say what it is equal to. So 0 here, and wait a minute. You have to put 0 carefully. Okay, like this one. Okay, now here you can see this is actually 3.5 centimeters. Okay, you can see 3, 4. Okay, and here it is the middle. You can see this line is the middle 3.5, so 1 millimeter less than 3.5, so actually it is 3.4 centimeters. Clear? Now this length, let me find it here. 0 is here, and okay, so here you can see this is exactly equal to 3 centimeters. You can see 3. Clear? This is exactly equal to 3 centimeters. Alright, now time to calculate this side. Okay, this is also a side, okay, like this one. These two are small sides, we can say, but these are also the sides of this shape. So let's measure. Alright, so here we have 1 centimeter, okay, 1.1. You can see this line 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Clear? Or we can see from this side, this is actually this long line, okay. You can see 1, 2, and 1.5. Clear? This one. So we can see 2 millimeters less than 1.5. So it is actually 1.3 centimeters. Clear? Okay. So now time to calculate this length. Let's see. Here we have to put 0 here. Okay, 5 centimeters, it is 4.5. You can see 4, 5, and 4.5. So it is actually 1 and 2 millimeters more than 4.5 centimeters. You can see, okay, 1 and 2. Clear? 1 and 2. Clear? So 2 millimeters more than 4.5 centimeters. It is actually 4.7 centimeters. Clear? Now this thing, this length, 0 is here. Okay, and this length, it is equal to, you can see 4. This is 4.5. okay, you can see. So this length is actually equal to 4.5 centimeters. Clear? Now about last length, this one, let's calculate like this one. Okay, 0 is here, and you can see this one is 2 centimeters, 1 centimeters. This line, it is actually, okay, this one, you can see it is 1.5. So here we have 1 millimeter less than 1.5, so it is 1.4 centimeters. Okay, so actually here we have to add all the sides. It means if we talk about this one, so here perimeter will be equal to, let's calculate, 4.8 plus 3.4 plus 3 plus 1.3 plus this 4.7 plus this 4.5 plus this 1.4. Clear? So let's add all these. 4.8 plus 3.4 plus 3 plus 1.3 plus 4.7 plus 4.5 plus 1.4. okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. okay, 7 sides here we have, so it is equal to 23.1 centimeters. okay, 23.1 centimeters. Clear? Okay, so here we have these two. Now let's come to this part. So this is a triangle, so we have to do the same thing, that here we have to measure all the sides. Okay, this one, you can see this is exactly equal to 5 centimeters. okay, you can see 0 here and 5 at this. Clear? So it is equal to 5 centimeters. And now this one, this length, so 0 is here. Okay, so you can see this is also equal to 5 centimeters. Okay, you can see 5 centimeters. So let me put 5 centimeters. Now this one, okay, so here you can see this is 5 centimeters, but you can see 1 and 2 almost. Clear? We can say almost. Okay, 1 and 2, it is almost 2 millimeters more than 5 centimeters. Okay, almost. Okay, or we can say that if it is in between 5.1 centimeters, okay, and 5.2 centimeters, so we can write it as 5.15 centimeters. Okay, it means that it is more than 1, we can say it is more than 5.1 centimeters. Okay, and it is less than 5.2 centimeters. So we can say that if we want to find the center of point 1 and point 2, so it is actually 0.15. Okay, point 1 and point 2, we can say the midpoint, okay, the middle value, it is equal to 0.15. So it will be equal to 5.15 centimeters. Okay, so for perimeter we have to add all 5 plus 5 plus 5.15. so let's add. So 5 plus 5 plus 5.15. Okay, so here it will be equal to 15.15 centimeters. Okay, here we can say the unit, we can say the perimeter is in units. Units is centimeter here, so it is in centimeters, and the area is in square units. So if the unit is centimeters, so the area will be in square centimeters. Clear? Okay, so now we have this circle. Okay, so perimeter is the length of the boundary. It means that here we have to measure the length of the boundary. You can see like this one. Clear? Okay, you're getting my point. Okay, but it is actually very difficult to calculate it like this one. So here actually we have to use the formula here. Okay, so the formula of the perimeter of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, what is 2? 2 is a constant number. We know pi. What is pi? Pi is also a constant number. Its value, it is equal to 3.14159. And what's the r? R is the radius of the circle. It means that if this is the center of the circle, okay, if it is the center of the circle, so radius is actually the distance from the center to the circumference. It means the center, distance between the center to the boundary of that circle, it is equal to the radius of that circle. So just we have to put the values here. So 2 multiplied by pi, 3.14159 is the value of pi, multiplied by radius. So what is radius? Actually now we have to measure the radius here. Clear? So this is a 0. So this is 2 centimeters, this is 3 centimeters. Okay, this line you can see. Clear? This is 2.5 centimeters, and here we have 1 millimeter more than 2.5 centimeters, so it will be equal to 2.6 centimeters. Clear? Now we just have to multiply it. So 2 it 2 it is going to multiply with pi, and it is going to multiply with 2.6. So after multiplying it, here the perimeter, it is equal to 16.33 centimeters. It means this one is the length of that boundary. Clear? Okay, you got this. This is the length of this boundary. Okay, so I hope you got this, that sometimes we have to measure the lengths, okay, like this one or this one. Sometimes we have to use the formula to calculate the perimeter. So I hope you got all my points. So that's it for this video. Perimeters, okay, we can say by measuring the length of its sides.
Access the entire Mathematics Demystified course at learneasy.us.